Hey, I just got the uppababy Vista V3. I'm going to show you guys how to do the initial setup. It's pretty simple. I'm also going to show you what this comes with. First of all, it comes with the manual, the mosquito net right here, and the rain cover right here. So we'll put this aside as we don't need this to set the stroller. It also comes with the handlebar attachment right here, which will go into right here. I'm going to go ahead and put this in real quick. Just snap it in. And here is the baby seat. Put this aside and we're now going to set the stroller together. The first thing is we need to open the stroller. Right here is a latch. We need to undo that. And we need to start opening this up. This actually opens it by itself. And then it locks into place. Right here are two little switches, which if you pull up, it'll let you fold it back down. But right now we're going to keep it straight up. All right, now with the stroller in place, we're going to put the wheels right there. So the wheels are very easy. You have a button right here. You put this in, and while you press the button in, it kind of just slides in, and then let go of the button and it locks. Same thing on the other side. We're going to push that button again, slide the wheel in, and it locks. The front is also pretty easy. We're going to do the front right now. The two wheels right here. Lift this up. There's a little switch right here which helps locks it in and lets you take the wheels back out. Put that in, slide that to the outside, and the wheel will just go in. To take the wheel back out, you just right here move that handle and it comes back right out. So that's how the front wheel goes in. Same thing on this side, and we'll move that same switch outwards. That's how that goes in. And now I'm going to adjust this camera so you guys can see upwards how I'm playing in the seat. All right, now that we have a seat right here, there's two buttons right here, which this is the, and we just slide it in. That's how easy it is to put this stroller together. That snaps right here. Take the seat back out, push both buttons, and the seat comes out. And we'll put that back in. That is your stroller. Right here, this bar that we put in, there's two buttons on the bottom right here. That actually helps you just take that right out. That's how you put that together. And that's how easy it is to put the strollers together. Again, these two buttons right here helps you slide and convert the stroller back into its collapsed state. But we don't need that. And then here's the button to help pull the handlebar and adjust that right there. All right. Lock it, just have to press this right here once and it will lock. And that's the stroller in a nutshell. All right. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Again, I'm going to show you that lock button right there, right there. That's just press this and it locks the stroller. Press it again, and now the stroller moves freely. All right, well, only takes a few minutes to set this thing up. That's the uppababy Vista V3 stroller. All right, hope you enjoyed it. Have a great one.